Hello, Starper TV viewers. We got some sizzling news that's sure to turn up the heat. On the ongoing romantic rumor, Zhao Lucy and Wooly have been secretly spotted together, and the internet is going wild with the speculation. Let's dive into the details of their intriguing sign height and what this could mean for the rumored couple. Recently, Zhao Lucy and Wooly were spotted together in a low-key setting, trying to keep things underwraps despite their effort to stay out of the spotlight. Sharp-eyed fan quick noticed the duo and snapped it a few photos which has since gone viral. The image how show the pair in what appeared to be a private and cozy moment. Fuel speculate that there's more to the relationship than just friendship. This isn't the first time Zhao Lucy and Wooly have been seen together, but the secret nature of the sign had have fans buzzing with excitement. The fact that they were trying to keep things quiet only added to the mysteries and have everyone wonder what's really going on between them. Social media is blast with a reaction with fans analyzing every detail of the photo and sharing their theories. The hashtag Zhao usually spotted is trending as people speculate about the nature of their relationship. Could this be the confirmation fans have been waiting for? Well, Zhao, Lucy, and Wooly always maintain that they are just good friends. Their frequent appearance together and the undeniable chemistry between them have kept the rumor until trending. The latest sign height have only intensified the speculate with many fans convinced that there is more to the story. Adding to the intrigue, neither Zhao Lucy and Natwuli have confirmed on the latest rumor, leaving fans to draw their own conclusion. Whether they are simply enjoying each other's company or something more is brewing. One thing is for sure, Zhao Lucy and Wooly now how to keep everyone guessing. So what do you think about the secretive sign hide? Are Zhao Lucy and Wooly just friends or there is a romantic blooming behind the scene? We'd love to hear your thought in the comment below. For more update and exclusive content on Zhao Lucy and Wooly and your other favorite stars, stay tuned to Starpeer TV. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe so you never miss out the latest buzz. The story is heating up and we be here to share it with you. Thank you for watching, guys.